Welcome to Ngobothente Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. We have now surpassed 10,000 subscribers. Everyone who have helped us to reach 10,000 subscribers, we thank you so much. For those who haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Ngobothente Shop iChannel. You are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Amazulu FC 0. Puti kunjani?
Khona njani futhi?
Sharp, thanks man. Ubani uphuma uphi?
Mastermind lo from Johannesburg.
Yeah. Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje ibinhle kakhulu. iSundowns wasebenzisile ama chances ayo watholile, but thina sosemzesanga sibe nama chances awu4 clear cut chances where we can get something from kubona, but asikwazanga ukupitalize kulawo ma chances lawo.
Umocabanga yini enibulele kakhulu? Is it because of maybe uArthur udlale maybe game of two halves? Uqala ngokudefenda ugcina ngo-attack?
Yes, ngingakusho lokho. I-lineup yakhe akayifakile, uqale defender and then container iSundowns i-first half, and then uthela ese-consider, and then kwaMaikhane eseqala ufuna ukuvula igame ukuyi-attack igame, but it was too late because kodwa engeke ngikusole kakhulu, iSundowns was nowhere into the game so much ngenxa yokuthi besikwazi ukubagqobhoza khona lapha, besikwazi emuva besikwazi ukubagqobhoza khona. I think another game maybe umqondo wabo is on the game on a Sunday, Orlando Pirates, but it was a good game overall. Abafana badlalile, just that inhlanhla ibingekho.
Beautiful. I-message yakho kubalandeli bosuthu?
Iphupho lethu elokufinisha lapha kwi-top 4 lingenzeka, still games to go. Noma sihleli namhlanje siku number 7, but mawubuka ngokwe league yethu ama point eshiyana ngawo, mawuwina 3 steps up, mawudliwa 3 step down. So i-league yethu ayikho that ukuthi ukhona umuntu onegebe elikhulu kunomunye, just 1 point 2 point 1 point 2 point. So nje sizobona ukuthi kuhamba kanjani ukuya phambili kwi-season, but number 4 I'm definitely sure we can get it if singaqhubeka sidlale ngalendlela esigcina ukudlala ngayo manje.
Yeah, cool. Hard luck for tonight.
Thank you, brother.
Good luck in future.
Sharp.
Danke futhi. Sure.